Hey, this is Jason Cobb with KC Hilites, and today we're talking about our Cyclone LED light. Cyclone lights can be mounted absolutely anywhere with a central mounting point, originally designed for a Dzus fastener, but will also accept M6 hardware. Every Cyclone features 12 LEDs in a circular pattern, giving you a tremendous amount of floodlight. It's a lot of light considering that it only consumes 5 watts of power. That's less than half an amp. The ability to mount the Cyclone absolutely anywhere is one of its greatest features. You can use it as a dome light, an exterior rock light, engine bay light, absolutely anywhere that you need additional lighting. With purpose-built mounting solutions such as our tube mount adapter kit, you can mount a Cyclone with a simple zip tie, a hose clamp, or even the optional Velcro strap. And if you're tired of the factory insufficient lighting kit that comes with your vehicle, KC Hilites is taking care of that with our universal underhood lighting kit that comes in a 1 or 2 light configuration that gives you all the light you need to make sure that you can keep going down the road. For you serious off-roaders, or you guys that want to add just a little bit of accent color to your JK, look no further than the KC Hilites JK Rock Light Kit that comes in 4, 6, and 8 light options, and you can choose from one of 6 colors. This kit is simple installation, no drilling required, comes with a complete plug-and-play wiring system, and of course, as with all KC Hilites products, our 23-year warranty and unbelievable quality. When you're out buying off-road parts, make sure you look for the Cyclone display at your local retail outlet. Get yours today, the KC Hilites Cyclone LED light.